Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing out there? First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for watching, taking time out your schedule. And I just like to please ask you guys to like, subscribe, tell a friend, share this information. It's free information. I really appreciate it. I'm not a financial or legal advisor. I'm just here to give you guys some free information to help you along your credit journey. It'll get better and better and more intense as I start making videos. Feel comfortable and feel free to leave any comments in the comments section, whether it be good or bad. I'm open for criticism, and I'm also open for updated and current information that can help me as well, as I'm still going through my credit journey, and it'll also help somebody else with their credit journey. Um, I stand to be corrected. Information changes all the time. Everybody has different experiences with banks, loans, and credit cards, and information is key and power, and it's good to know. And why not share that with one another so we too can better ourselves and try different strategies to improve our credit score and to get more funding. But today I'm just gonna take some time. I'm gonna talk about two loans with Navy Federal Credit Union. You do have to be a member of Navy Federal in order to get these loans and to get their products. It's really not hard to get into Navy Federal, but I just must warn you, do not use anybody's special Navy Federal code or number, because sometimes they do and they are auditing people who are falsely getting in. But there are other ways that you could get in legitly, and you won't run the risk of your account being shut down or canceled. Because if they do that, your money will be frozen for a length of time. But I'll talk about how to get in on another video. But today I'm just gonna share, if you needed some quick funding, I'm gonna share Navy Federal. They have a personal loan. They have a program. You could get up to 50K. I know somebody personally that got the 50K. That 50K, you just go online and they ask you some questions, and of course you fill it out. And basically it's stated income, so you don't have to provide any documentations. It is a hard pull. That hard pull is from TransUnion, and the interest rate is a little bit high, but the thing about that is it can go up to 60 months. But if you want to pay it off early to kill some of that interest, you could do that, or you can go for a little bit less a month. But what that's doing, if you get this 50K, you're actually, that's a good trade line to have in your credit profile. And then you're actually building a relationship with Navy Federal, which will go a long way. And it'll better your relationship with them. As I always talk about, relationship banking is one of the most important things, and it's key when you're going after funding. And it'll prove that you can handle that amount of money, and I want to give you more money. Now, it's good to also have a plan when you get this 50K, because that interest rate is high. So that's why it's important to have an exit strategy and what you're gonna do with this loan, if you want to use it for real estate or however the case may be. But that's a pretty quick way to get 50K, and it's easy with Navy Federal. That's on the personal side. So, and they do have a pre-approval portal online for their products. Now, another loan I'm gonna talk about that they have is, it's called the Home Improvement Loan. Now, I know a friend of mine who ended up getting this loan, and they actually didn't have a home when they got this loan. Now, I don't know if this will work for everybody, but you have to do your own research and try it for yourself, or just trial and error or read up on it, but what works for some people might not work for everybody else. But this loan also was a no documentation loan. You don't have to provide any documentation on this loan, and it can be used for fix and flip. So that's what my friend wanted to use this loan for, fix and flip. He didn't need any collateral, wasn't required. You know, some loans that you get, they want collateral, 401k, whether it be people have machinery, and it's not, this is not a refinance loan either. So you wouldn't have to refinance your home or run the risk of, taking equity out of your home. So it wasn't a refinance loan as well. And the good thing about this loan, it goes up to 180 months, which could be good. But it's a little bit better than that personal loan I told you about. But if you needed some quick money, or maybe you didn't get approved for the home improvement loan, then you may want to go with that personal loan and get that 50,000 in your account quick. And another thing on the side note I'm gonna add, when you get that personal loan or fill out for it, that money goes into your account in seconds. It's not days, minutes, or none of that. You just sign that promissory note and it's in your account in seconds. So that's a good thing about Navy Federal. But sometimes, a personal loan will work better and faster than that home improvement loan. But these are some of the products and some of the things that Navy Federal offer, which is great. So you just have to relationship bank with them, and you just have to be strategic and wise when going after funding. And it's a great and a beautiful thing when you actually have something to do with the money and you're actually trying to grow your business, so that money's not used towards just having fun and then you have to pay it back. That's when a lot of people get in trouble, because they have to pay that money back. They look at it as, oh, I got this or I got that, or it's for bragging. But you want to use that money to make more money. And as I stated before, that personal loan has a high interest rate. So you want to try to multiply and get that money back as fast as you can, so you could kill some of that interest. Now that home improvement loan is a little bit better because you got longer to pay it back. The interest isn't as much as it is on the personal side, and you could use it for real estate. If you wanted to do a fix and flip, you have a certain amount of time to renovate the home, or buy materials, or do whatever you need to do. And Navy Federal, they also have the auto loan, and I'm definitely going to talk about that auto loan in the next video, which is great because you can take the power into your own home rather than going through all these little rinky-dink lots and they're jamming your credit through, and you got all these inquiries on your account. But yeah, Navy Federal, and they will finance you if you have bad credit. I'm not going to say terrible credit, but they will finance you with bad credit. So just stay on the lookout and stay in tune for the next video when I talk about that Navy Federal auto loan, because it's definitely beneficial and it could definitely help you. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope this information is useful to you. What good is it if you don't try it? Any of you guys implement any of this information, let me know. Thank you guys. Have a great one.